Amy Sharp. Eh?
Fish.
What fish there? Come in Sharp. Go help yourself. Marcel to be sharp, come.
Yeah, man, it's sharp. Yeah. Yes, man. You have
something we want.
You want?
Make you pull it back and you put that one something in there. You want me to come deal with it? Want me to come deal with it?
Oh, Natalia. Come, Natalia. Natalia.
You're welcome. Hi.
Natalia.
Come here.
All right, guys.
Hello.
So, welcome back to the channel. Likkle. Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me is my husband, Marcel, and our children. And today we are in Middle New Hope in Trelawny. Or Middle New Hope in Trelawny, rather. Right, and we are doing some food distribution. This is the second one that we have been doing so far, or we have done so far. And we want to say thanks to our donors. God bless you richly. And we also have another donor from Spanish Town, who has Spanish Town, who has done some shopping of tarpaulins and hockey. So personal items as well. And
today. Yes.
We went to, she shipped it to us, so we went to Mandeville at Nutsford and were able to pick it up. So thank you so much, Donna. God bless you richly. I should have sent some stuff leak as well. And some laundry soap. So we don't have everything with us today. We weren't able to bring any of the laundry soap just yet because we have to, bottle those out. But that's the least we'll get to it. All right. So thanks everyone. God richly bless you. And without your help, we would not be having.
So everybody put on their roof already.
You find something sharp.
Everybody put on their roof already.
Now come here. Come here.
What's the medal? This Anik. Over Marceline. This Anik. Over Marceline right behind me there. Oh, she at work now. Yeah, she at work now. You can get it to her later.
Kids. Tie that.
Well, this is for your mother. They borrow back for her already. So they give Percy. Or she's supposed to give him.
You just want them to the police.
Now, I'll make sure you deal with it. I go where I go now,
When you come now, man, come. For what? We soon gone, Unless
we don't have no slippers in here.
That's Miss Tony, right?
I'm gonna make sure you deal with it. So it's a fee.
Yeah.
Make give your mother already.
Alright, let me get one
Who you say?
Me have one for Miss Annette already.
And that a few?
Me could have
Miss Carol. This is for Miss Carol.
This is for Clooney?
Yeah, this is Miss Clooney.
Marcel, remember Chappie here?
Yeah.
I'm Miss Amber, this morning.
We could have get one for Tina.
Let me see if you are. Yes.
Alright, right, that's it.
Darlan, come here.
Yes. Hey, I want no. Which color I want? It. One. Yes, sir.
Well, then you have to go cut it on in a ching.
Boy.
You know, go manage them the one day.
Well, and
We are going to go down in another lane.
yes, yes.
Yo! Well, me never got there yet.
This one. What the
Me have video
color?
you. Me have your pan camera. Where you say him? Say it. Me tell you say me have video you.
So when they are jail, you have to jail food stamp. Stamp food.
Yeah. So stamp food there eat now.
Remember we have to
You have to just say
check,
thanks
right?
to the donor, man. Our people donate so we can buy it, you know?
What she want? They want.
Yeah, man. Me bless,
No,
man.
I want no. Here, dear.
All right.
Don't shout
Enough
on
respect.
that time. You get one of them now?
No, I don't want that.
Okay. All right. All right.
Where are you dealing? There.
So guys, once again, we are in the food distribution, and we have distributed some personal items as well, and we want to use the opportunity to say thank you to all our donors. God bless you richly. We are more than appreciative that you were able to stretch your hands to us so that we can help our community members, help our brothers and sisters, and to our special donor as well, who is in Spanish Town, who did some shopping of Stop Leak and laundry detergent, khaki, some personal items, and hope I'm not leaving out any, and a number of things. I want to say thank you as well. All right, so I don't know, I think we head somewhere now. Let us see where we go. All right. You today.
If you never call out to me, I would remember you.
Would remember, we not even did no send it over there.
Nevie over there, sir? Who? Nevie.
No, in the house. Thank you very much.
Yes, you are very well.
Yeah, man. Bless
Yeah,
you,
man,
sir.
you're very welcome.
Yes, man. Me thank you very
Yeah,
much.
man.
You don't say more remember me, man.
Yes.
No, I never remember you. If you never call to me, I would remember.
You're right, but you come with me.
All right, take it easy.
Where check? Give me. This can't hold my bag.
No, it's too long. Alright guys, so we continue the journey. We just left down by the crossroads where we were distributing some relief supply items. So we're heading up by Mass NEVIE now. And of course we have to foot it because the car can manage the terrain.
If we get one tall up, we go up here, so.
So
we could have passed this because I see light post in our road.
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
What?
Okay guys, so we have a number of donors who have donated so that it's possible for us to take groceries to Mass NEVIE. So we have been up there once since the hurricane. This is our second visit. Last time we went, he was staying with his neighbor and church brother because his house is no more. House is damaged, totally destroyed. Go ahead, Izzy.
What go on there, sir?
Slide to the back. Hold your head down.
Hush, come.
Alright guys, so as usual when we go to Mass NEVIE, we have to have our backpacks with the grocery items because it's too far for us to bring it in a box or even a bag that you have to carry in your hand.
No, not true. We have to share so you can carry some.
Huh?
We have to share so you can carry some too.
But me not carry none now. Tremel have it.
All right, share that somebody can carry some.
Right. So if she get tired along the way, we just take it and she take the camera. So that's how we do it.
That's how we do it.
I'm really happy that we are able to go to Mass NEVIE today because, boy, for some reason, anytime we don't get a chance to come to him, he's on our minds.
We have to move him from Pastor Man,
Yeah.
too far.
Him there far, and then we're always worried about whether or not he has run out of food. Sometimes he manages to go to a shop down the road, and it's a good way down because where we started recording, he would have to pass there and go all the way out on the main and walk down to the shop. The bag heavy. You want to switch now? Okay. Take care. It's nice seeing you. So where were you?
Oh, when we go on the banana boat.
Oh yeah.
She did up on it too?
Yeah, me and her. The banana something. And from that time, I don't go back on nothing like that. Because I can't swim, so. Alright, take it easy. Your mommy almost drowned. Boy, I haven't seen her for years.
I go to a kill. Oh. Oh God. You have to do it little by little, not sure? How you do? Yes, we are doing the same. Yes.
Yes, hi.
Thanks.
How are you doing? Yes. All right.
What are you doing?
What we're doing today? Well, we're distributing some food and we're going to see Mass NEVIE. Yes. You want, we don't have them with us, so we have to leave it down by the road where the car is. You'd like one? Oh, but you have to watch out for us when we come back down and you follow away.
We can send it?
You want us to send it?
Yes, you can send it.
All right.
I get teeny figure.
Yes.
All right, okay. Take care.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Oh, yes, absolutely. All right. What is your name?
Saman Madina.
Oh, I know you. I just didn't know the name and the face so good. Yeah. That's someone's mom. Oh, my. All right, then. So when you're coming back, you here? All right,
All right. When again? You know when I go? It's not easy.
Oh, yeah.
You go do the bag and you want me carry it.
How you gonna bring 2 bags?
You're good, man.
You good,
You always carry 2.
Tremel not even carry quarter way. Tremel say, come.
I always carry 2.
I'm not even going to comment. This is where I plead the 5th. Boy! Oh, yes, so.
You want to give me a camera?
Yeah, man, I don't like
Take your bread. You walk with the bread.
Yeah. Check your Audi.
Hold on, gone. Let's see.
Well, hello.
Hi, baby. Man, and fix up back in ground.
Yeah, man. Looks good too.
Look over so. Over there, so pop bang bad. We can go over there.
That is his farm too?
All over there for him.
so happy we're going to see Master Neville, man. Such a burden. Just wondering if he's alright and so on.
I'm alright. You see people where if him never alright, they would tell me.
Yeah.
Now run here, so. I don't know when they might fix back them, man. Hey! I searched your ground a while ago, but I never see you. You know, Diggy, you want to give me peace, man?
Eh?
Diggy, you want to give me peace?
You know, you're light green, say.
No?
The tabo you have no answer, so you tabo you have black green, the tabo you have a big expense.
Expensive now.
Yeah. So light them choking in the yama.
Then I have to go buy it, man.
I don't money.
The hurricane no blow away money. Your roof no blow off, you know, say you're good.
Eh?
Your roof no blow off, say you're good.
Well, if you lose all the same man, I lose the water, not.
Yeah, but them I never ready. They sell and have the money put on, so use it now, buy it, Liza.
That's why they say I'm in a no market.
You take it in a market.
I used to be like when I talk about Milan. I can't do you on anything. Only if it's in a social animal.
So if you plant melon and cantaloupe up here,
No,
it can't grow up here.
roll it, you say.
Yeah, round leaf. Yes.
At lunchtime yet?
Eh?
At lunchtime yet?
Yes, my Mr. I take it easy.
Oh.
Check it around.
It on. There's a van coming.
I just had my mix here back, man.
That one here, sir.
Eh?
This.
I just had my mix here back.
Oh.
I will let him. You will. And after I start, I take up it.
So it seemed like it alright?
What you want, so Liza?
Oh.
Me disease. You just start to look, you're not going on disease. They kill nigga, you know.
Okay, okay.
In a kill rolling.
Oh.
Spring.
So how long ago you planted this, Miller? How long ago you did plant this?
August.
Okay.
August is plant.
I find this one.
Yeah, it was on the main.
How? Silly.
Now see what going on here, sir.
All right.
How you end up here, sir? How you end up around here, sir? Yeah?
Una do up here.
Where you are up here?
One, we can't get the one bread. We can't get one.
Yes.
Honestly,
Not bad.
una do up here. Now check on the farmers and thing.
We have a blind man who will take care around
Yeah.
here, so
Just see more like, what, the old guy.
yeah.
Yeah.
Blind.
Yes.
And the roof.
He was blow down.
Yeah.
Buffalo will come talk to you after. But me say one lady on the back, Camille, or something like that, upper top part of yourself.
Camille.
Yeah. Right. Or mango tree drop down somewhere upper top
I'm
yourself.
gonna go tree drop down right there, sir.
Right over there, so. So I'm gonna check she and turn and come back.
Yeah, man, you can turn right there, sir.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Yeah, myself,
No, I'm gonna fix it
I
up
him
now.
fix it up.
oh, the blow down.
Yeah, man,
completely.
everything.
And he has one behind this, so if you stand, yeah. So he just took up the sticks and kind of rewrap.
How will you get bread?
Whoops, the shop.
Somebody, I watch your bread and not me.
Try, we buy
Down
it.
by Troy.
We not have to travel with food.
Travel so go. No.
No, one light post drop down in the road
No,
down there,
there's a
sir.
light post, so we had to park. We always come up here, so not to visit him.
Oh, say part, don't try and walk come
I'm
up.
not tried.
Not Troy. This,
You see where you turn?
Yeah.
Remember we come in as a drive out, you know.
True.
yeah.
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 Yes.
So you drive up on the road there, come in.
Middle.
Middle New Hope,
New
yeah.
Hope.
So why them never make you go up there so then, man?
Yeah, but you couldn't drive
Yeah,
in.
you could and just walk up.
Oh, yeah, you'd have to walk, because the light post in the road down there.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. I wonder which part him see Mass Nevie. So they probably were asking for direction. I get the wrong direction. Well, in not wrong.
No, wrong direction. Can't go in reach.
End up on the same road. It's a longer route.
Yeah, come up and walk up. But how we used to stop and look on the grapefruit tree? Sit there. All of the yam blow down there too.
Yeah. The farmers start cleaning up back the land and
So you see this I am now? So I am did ready, you know.
yeah. Also then just repeat.
Or then they repeat before.
Yeah.
Then clean up their farm. And pack up the things on the roadside. So.
Yeah. I remember the same farm they blow down to, you know, then straighten up the sticks and so.
Did they blow down?
Yeah, man.
I don't remember nothing about that.
Yeah. Because at one point when we came
see
to
some
look,
up there, so. Yeah.
one point when we came to look for Mass Nevie, they were just jamming the sticks.
God, Mass Nevie went back in house.
Mass Nevie, older and cheer. Mass Nevie!
Down there, do Mass Nevie.
Lord have mercy. So you come out here, son?
Oh God.
Oh. So why you under here? Mass Nevie, why you out here?
Sun hot.
Eh?
Can't be the sun.
So you know there your neighbor?
No, you know, did it.
So when you not did you not stay there?
No, I go the road.
They had to.
Me have to up on the veranda. So that kill me there someone.
Lord.
Kill me there. Everybody else say that's if me can't get one place to joke up and but tell me say him sister I go come out too. When another day him stop too. So me know how me a manage.
Lord have mercy.
Don't know. Don't know what's
I
up.
forgot try find one way for you to
Oh,
If
God.
I go one place.
So guys, see we come
Yes, ma'am.
and we thought that Mass Nevie was at his neighbor's house, but
No.
apparently things are not going so well.
When night time is me on up on the concrete me up here.
You sleep on the concrete?
Yes, no.
Oh my God.
Me pain up here right here now. Whole of me pain up. On the concrete me up here.
Oh no. So guys, even before we say anything to Mass Nevie, based on what we are seeing here, we're asking you for your help. So if it's even to, you know, get some blocks and to do a foundation and to put up back something so Mass Nevie can have somewhere to stay. Because I really wasn't expecting that you're here in Mass Nevie.
Yes, ma'am.
No, so
We are come and think you're
back on this floor, you know?
the floor seam.
Yeah, man.
For one brother,
Run one row of black round
Oh
it
my
up on it.
God.
one brother he come here, you know, me I tell say no, sir, you. Are your response?
Yeah, somebody come to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
I come look upon it and say.
Yeah.
I tell him say, are your response? So.
Oh, you tell him say we response.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Alright, so donors, this is Mass Nevie's situation.
could have been upon the Silk Foundation.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we can use.
Ask my lumber them good, you know.
No, but the lumber them old.
Because them dead.
Then dead?
Yeah, man. My grandness did them dead.
God.
You don't,
No, they're not dead. You feel so they're dead, but
It's a big duck and nest, so all of them now go dead so fast.
But they lumber out there, so. Some of them lumber there. Some of them could have used. Some.
we'd have to just kill the ducks and island them off.
Yes, man.
So-
A good lumber them.
So what would we need? Plyboard,
Yes, man. We plywood.
zinc,
Yes, man.
and some
2x4 and lot.
2x4 and lot, and then nails and so on. Well, that's mine about.
still.
So every day you have been coming out here to stay?
Every day.
So what you eat?
Me carry.
Oh, you carry some little something with you there?
Yes, me carry.
And you find back your medication them?
No.
Everything gone?
Everything.
You find back your papers like your
ID?
Yeah, me find me ID.
Oh, this is so bad.
I mean, I no medication.
Oh,
I mean, I no eye jobs.
rough out if you 1 more week, Mass Neville.
Yes, man. Me tell you, say, me depend upon you, me talk. Me tell them, say, you don't need force papa and you come and see position. You will try do a thing for me. So, that's why you see me not in my force, you know, me that thing over myself, I know, say. Me just see you on. You have God, man.
The church brother for you make you stay there 1 more week so we can...
Yes, sir.
So he's not there now?
No.
I'm gone and farm?
Yes, man. We did in Ghana. When he come in 6 o'clock.
Late?
Yes.
So you just...
When he come in, I'm on the veranda.
Oh no, Mass Nevie.
Some lady passed me and I happen to buy some sleep. Yeah.
It's not look,
You don't look good at all. It's heartbreaking.
Yes, sir.
It's really heartbreaking to come see Mass Nevie. We know the house smashed down, but because we know that we came and saw you around there, we thought you were there like every day. We never know you still come here, so come stay during the day.
Yeah, every day I saw me there. Sometimes I look, see me ask me see them out there. So if I see them in a farm, I stay and I run go around up on the veranda.
So Mass Nevie.
Yes, ma'am.
So Mass Nevie,
yes,
like how we carry groceries for you now.
Me put it
and the donors send groceries for you. Where we going to put them?
Me put it on there.
Oh. So you want we carry it around the field that come with me now?
Yes, but you want to open some of that, you go make you put it on the veranda.
Oh, so the door locked?
Yes, ma'am.
So you go stay around the veranda till you come?
Yeah.
The door is locked.
Sun hot around there?
Yes, it's hot around there. So I mean, I can't put it here so I can beg somebody to carry around for me.
So you want to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Lord, how we are going to do this now?
In a container?
No, in a knapsack bag. So maybe that bag that you have, we have to go find. We have to find a way and work out it.
Oats.
Oats and some bottle Likkle.
Yes.
Yeah. Compared to what we bring.
You know, me no have water, man. I'm drinking water.
No drinking water?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll get you some drinking water.
Yes, ma'am. Bucket water. Me that cat round, man.
Also, so Mass Nevie, that's one of the reasons why you come around at the daytime, because the door locked.
Yes, man. It's so hot too.
And it's so hot.
Out, yes,
oh.
So hot out there, like you you see no way not to be hide.
Jesus. Careful. Oh yeah, look for the finding. Guys, Marcella try to take out Mass Nevie food pan.
Yes, but it catch up.
They fit mash up.
It catch up, you know.
Oh, see there, it bend up, man. Oh.
Yes, it is. Hey. Hello.
They want to wash. See if I can find nothing.
What jump this we want to know?
We'll try. Yeah. Hi.
So we're from the SDC, Social Development Commission.
Yes.
And we're doing some temporary housing assessment. Persons that would want to relocate to like a temporary housing solution. So we were passing by, and based on what we see here, he's definitely somebody that could be relocated.
What are they relocating to?
Where do you?
Somebody that you know?
Yes, we normally come and assist him.
Well, that's part of the thing that we're doing as well, is looking at where would be a suitable temporary housing solution. So we're looking at people whose homes are really affected. It would be like a situation similar to a shelter where different persons can come and stay with all access to all amenities until we figure out can the house be rebuilt or.
Well, we don't want it to move still, because we are going to build back the house. Right?
Yeah, we're trying to, yeah.
So we don't want him to go far.
So it wouldn't be far, it would be the closest.
Yeah, it
area
would be,
that we can
yeah.
identify.
So we're trying to find somewhere in all sides.
No, me not live here, so.
I'm not sure, this is new home.
Right.
Same already. Same no one leave.
We still have to capture it. Yeah, we still have to capture it.
Yeah, still.
Because of the state of this place.
Yes.
Yeah.
We are trying by in 1 week and we are shaking can put it up.
We are recording in here, just that we don't have you on.
Okay.
Yeah.
And who are you? If you don't mind me asking.
We are you to shoot. Yeah.
We take care of him.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we have a charity-based channel.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And you know, say the duckans always in the place and we never know, say the nest in the house until it blow down.
Yeah. Oh, you know, say that's a little bit of fun. You did see right so?
Yes,
No.
sir. It's a government house.
It's a government house. Yeah.
But this is house here, you see,
Him have
church brother.
but him also a field land.
Yeah, I'm my church sister land and it,
You get permission for bill on it.
yeah, you can, yes, madam, we response.
You can take it. You have number. You have
One
We can
number.
give you our number.
Build back the house here.
one of the things I wanted to do was to go to Food for the Poor, but I was going to get the SDC officer who works up this side.
The lady, I'm a
So
church.
that's what I was saying. I can.
Who is the officer?
I'm not sure who works that side because we
Is that
work
man right
in.
with SCC?
So?
Is that man?
What's its first name?
I don't remember the first name right now.
Hold on, let me call. I'm just going to take some information from him.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
But this time panel where I always put in food.
And you don't have anything.
Pack it in it so you can.
Okay. To take it back over there. Hello,
You can
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
just give him this for me, please. I think hold it. Thank you.
No problem. The officer.
I'm from the SDC,
Yes,
Social
ma'am.
Development Commission.
Yes, ma'am.
The young lady asked me to give you this bird.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Feel it?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. God bless you.
My name is Nicole.
My name is Never Watson, ma'am.
Never Watson.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what we're doing today is we're going around looking at persons who were severely affected by Melissa, the storm.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But
Right.
showed us this man here, man, and he helped me out
Right.
from start.
Right.
So, leave it to him.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Let me help me.
It was sealed, so we didn't know that it was above it like that.
Fine, they know what we're doing. They know we're taking your information, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Top New Hope, right?
Yeah.
No, this
It's middle.
No, second New
The
Hope.
second. Huh? This is middle.
Middle New Hope.
Top New Hope is the
I
other
top one
one.
when you pass up here, so when you come back, pan. When you come home.
Oh yeah.
So this is
Where you
middle.
entered, that right, and where we saw you when you were turning, that's middle.
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't know where this.
This is
So it's in the middle.
Where put
Mark in the middle.
Never watch.
Mark in the middle of nowhere.
Yes, ma'am.
What Philip last name?
Let's say, I
You
know
will
my
see if
family
you-
tell you say I don't want a tree down the side there.
And the tree blow long, you know?
Yeah.
The mango tree. It blow long flat.
No cancer for this over down there, man.
Yes, man, in a mango tree.
Okay. Do you have a number, Mr. Watson?
No, we don't have no phone.
Yeah.
You can contact us.
Yes, sir.
A number that I could reach
Yeah.
on. Would you mind sharing it?
512 4055.
512.
Area code at 876.
So we're not putting that in there.
512. Sorry.
4055.
405.
No,
They're live, I have live one in there.
I would suppose so.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
You want something to watch out the fan though?
I wish I knew for him.
Michelle, yes. No?
Number.
People in church, brother.
So you staying here, right, Mr. Watson?
Yes,
One of
ma'am.
you stay here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Me have me response here, my part. At this year, so I was at church, you know.
Wait, what's a church?
Yes, I'm around here, so me baptized, so they lady put me in control, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Nothing funny. Nothing funny with me on there.
5350.
I was at church,
Philip
yes.
Spence.
Around here, so me baptized and all.
Okay.
SDC officer.
Okay. SDC officer.
Yeah,
They've been staying with a church.
my brother, but him, you know, he's saying having people now come and
If we go put this back in van muffler and make it heat up so we can straighten it.
it can't.
In my water?
No, I have no water, please.
So you have
Yeah, man,
water?
drinking water, ma'am. Back to water.
Remember the water I bring the other day?
Yeah, man.
You have any?
Which one? Do you mean the
Only one gallon now?
Terrence, you have any more bottled water with you?
Hi, Philip.
Probably, yeah.
Yes, sir. I'll be glad.
Archibald.
So not kind of food on there sitting there when they're not come on.
We can't, we're not, it's not our, we're not allowed to do that.
Oh, they're not allowed to do it.
Still breaking up? Alright, I forgot to call it because I'm gonna call it. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Let me just see this.
Are you taking any medication?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have all your medication?
I don't have one.
All right,
doctor.
no problem.
I have medication for high blood pressure, but I don't have no eye drops. So I'm going to eye trouble me bad. I'm going to eye trouble me, you know.
Myself, I forget.
You know, sometimes them things are slow.
She is 17. Yeah.
Yeah.
But even just to start to even approach to right to them or something.
Yes.
Because of the space, you have to have the title or copy of the permission to build on.
Okay.
Yes, man. They don't give me permission.
Right. So
I give me permission, Libya, man. There's no problem.
They're not trouble there?
No, but not to be me, but no more is me.
The water here,
Please take it up.
we think
That up to where they pass, I come and look for you.
no more.
but somebody asked me, no, it's water.
Oh, yeah, give him this.
Who want it?
Me, sir. I don't have no to drink.
Yeah, what
Mass
happened?
Nevi
Give him
wants.
that for drink.
Yes.
That's what
No, are you?
Me, I don't.
Vision issues?
Yes.
At what I'm
He sees a little bit, but you could almost claim shadows.
Talking to me, I was looking. You want
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Me sick with me eye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
to see my receipt?
yeah, me have to go eye doctor. Me get a medication. Me have all. Me can show you.
Yeah.
A man from foreign it come on. Oh, yeah.
Here, between me.
Sick with me eye bad. I can't hardly go.
Apply for it.
So because you know the Ministry of Labor is doing
That's still 5 water, right? 5 water again.
See this one. Miss,
Okay,
see
understand.
this one. Me have to put
What you're taking now?
in my eye. In my eye drop. They come. I was a brother
Yeah,
take
you
my
can't have it until we send out more.
So me
So
sick
you need
with.
to go to the doctor.
Me have the appointment and then say me fit.
Essentially,
Me get the medication.
Okay.
Every 2 months me get
Okay.
two of these. Yes, man. You go ahead.
You want to rebuild here, right?
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
And you're going to need material to rebuild and all of that.
Yes, man.
Okay. And you need some care packages as well.
Yes,
Some
ma'am.
food,
Yeah.
clothing, all of those things.
Yes,
right?
man. Yeah.
Have you ever received any care packages?
No, I'm from this man here.
Only from these people?
Yes, man. Nowhere else.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So as I said, my name is Likkle. Right?
Yes,
And
man.
thank you so much for talking to
Thank
me.
you very much. God bless, man.
Yes, I'm going to pass on the information
Yes, man.
and see how best we can.
Yes, man. It's a church place. Yes, man.
All right.
Yes,
Thank
man.
you.
Yes, man. God bless. Yes, man.
Right, Marcel, yeah, get through. Yeah, sure. Okay, I need to put the number there as well again?
your number.
Because I did,
Because I'm sending it to the.
okay, okay,
You put both numbers. You put the organization.
yeah.
Numbers.
I put
channel.
it, yeah.
So it's an outreach. It's mostly out for it. That's what you normally do.
Yes, that's what, yeah, generally.
Long
Really
time.
good stuff.
3.5
Where
years.
you're from Trelawny?
Yes, Troy.
The flat one.
So you're not with FPC?
No. Is there,
The one thing.
No, man, no. No, in terms of even identifying persons.
You know, say
that you can-
a care package, right? Each and now we have to come up with a care trunk full of.
But even in terms of the connecting to even identify persons too, like you.
but we didn't know about that, or that we could do that.
Sports, Sendo.
No. It's development on a whole. In cricket, it was on TV.
See if this is adequate.
Oh, the problem, brother and forest officer.
Okay.
Dates every woman got anything to him.
Oh.
Can him favor you?
No, I'm in favor of him.
You're older.
Wait, there's a collection?
The chat? Yeah. Every woman people see. I'm so responsible for that forest, man.
You don't mind being in the picture, right?
For me?
Yeah.
We'll put people on camera every day.
Focus is on.
You know people are wait a bit. You know people are wait a bit.
You know them?
You know people are wait a bit. Okay.
Mas Nevie, you drink the water yet?
No, it's a cold water. I not drink cold
Oh,
water.
you don't want the cold water?
So water and can make it.
You can't drink cold water.
You can't drink it.
Come and freeze them 2 hours trouble now.
Yeah.
We have one freezer in the back.
Oh, cooler in the one.
I'm glad how they must do things still at check out. Oh, me see. No, sir. Then,
Most people,
no, sir.
Nobody don't want to leave.
Nobody know.
No, sir.
Them don't have sense to do. They don't have no house, but they don't have
Yeah,
You have to tell me you're used to.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, when I'm my brother, church brother, then every man, I come around here. So.
What's the name of the church?
Seventh-day Church of God.
It's New Hope.
Yes, ma'am.
New Hope Seventh-day Adventist Church of
An
God.
Adventist.
It's what?
Yes,
Adventist.
yes, ma'am.
A Church of God.
Yes, ma'am.
But they keep the church on us. Is on
No,
us.
but it's not 7-day Adventist, it's 7-day Church of
Church of
God.
God.
Oh, yeah,
Right,
yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I
It
stand
depends on the one.
corrected.
It depends on the one I try.
Yes, I realize.
Yes,
I know.
sir.
Why, Mas Nevie?
Mom, me have to go give God thanks
Yeah.
for my life.
Oh, yes.
Yes, man. And you know, say, I blood out with me, you know.
Yeah, me know. Remember you tell me say under the table your arm did there.
Me say the table like well strong, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, me that tell you, man. I hit me whole pan when me a little baby.
Yeah.
They bite me whole pan stand up.
Yes.
That's why me never want to let it go. I think like somebody they want it, me say no.
Yeah.
Bite for me, man. I want strong table, man. And this year again, help me too.
Yes.
Can't come up all this.
Yeah, man, because look here, the wall behind you is leaning exactly on the shoulder of the settee.
Yes. Yes.
So it's a good thing. But it's not even safe here, no master.
No.
Under here.
Yes, we would not tell me, but
You're not safe.
through the sun.
Lord help us.
And sometimes we go over there to go sit down.
Yes.
Over there, so.
Master, if you want to pull some of the water, they throw it out and then I throw some of the one that they have on this. So to dilute it.
All right, no hot water. Wait, you know.
You have cup with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Also give me me and you keep that water and then me get some of the one with him.
No, I will give one buckle. But the cup, you know, we mix on what's in there, I didn't wash out it yet. We didn't wash it, you know, I wash out the buckle, the cup.
The cup, oh.
See one cup, we see one bucket of water here.
Okay. So when you not drink out that water, drink it out, man, and we fill it up back. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
They can't stay here with people, right? And even with him, he's exposed. You understand? So you're not it's not a relocation. It's a temporary accommodation until the police stay here to the and it would be far from Remember that's what I was saying?
No, left here some missus.
Master, we said, no, left us.
Because like, most persons they don't want to leave, you know.
Give me.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Can't stand the mix.
Yeah.
You can fix up right there first, then you can move in right there, so you know you can do the rest.
Yes, ma'am, you can fix like a place. Fix like a place, me move in, you know.
Oh yeah, because you say him stay over, right? So
Yeah.
he stay.
At night time.
You know, we would have to get
Marcel, fill up this to me, please.
And the frame solid, you know.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
A bolt, you know.
Yes, man. I like how you talk me, so you know things.
Yeah, man, the frame solid.
Solid, ma'am.
You just want to fill up this. But they
have to use treated lumber because this duck's nest take over the whole of the stuff.
and they're everywhere.
When you can spray, ma'am.
Use treated, they can't use
You don't know if I'm afraid I can, man.
Yes, thank you.
We're in the video, but our faces aren't shown.
Alright, look it. Alright. You don't know, sometimes people, you know.
You guys are gonna leave this water?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Water, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, nice to meet you guys.
Yes, it's a pleasure.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. Try.
What can be done?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, all right. We're looking forward to it.
Most of the communication would be through WhatsApp because the phone lines, I think they work
What's
well.
the number that's
Is a WhatsApp
that's
number.
assigned to this community? I sent the message to him.
Okay, and we have his contact so we can follow up with him as well.
That's right.
SDC Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yes,
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Take care and
All right.
thank you for what you're doing.
Yes,
Sorry,
you're
I gave
welcome.
bread, but you see who get it? Yes.
God bless you,
you're
man.
welcome.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
That's why I'm a pray to God, say God I provide.
Yes,
I'm
man,
not
Master
poor, me say me no pray.
Master
But me put God before.
Come.
Yes, ma'am.
So put that in a bag and then leave for a big bottle of water for you.
Right.
But we can buy one next one of this and send up here.
No yet.
You want
No send it yet?
No, from me.
Wait first. You don't want too much things to bring round. All right, maybe we have it. So how long you think you're going to have that, the water there?
This I say me, I tell you to come back.
But you have it. Go on we.
supposed to take 2 weeks.
Wait
Yeah.
for me 2 weeks.
No, sir, we're going to send up more water.
Who just send with it?
We make you get water.
All right, sir. Good. God bless you. If I hit a problem, man, the water. I don't want no water
Yeah.
to drink. See, God provide.
Yes, man, he always does.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. Thomas Never, you don't want to move to nowhere.
No, ma'am.
Lord.
I could have moved to Manchester, I'm not good.
Yeah, you prefer stay right here,
yes,
so.
ma'am. Yeah, so I tell the ladies, I go for my sister, they say, go away. I hear some of it stay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yes, some of it stay, man.
You tell me say house now go blow down in a man.
You know what I said? I give them to that long pan. Hey, I give them to that long pan, you know?
I push it down.
Yes,
So, you know, yes,
I give them to under the house.
so maybe if we did cut the tree.
Hey, he will come down. But, you know what? God do everything for wise people. I mean, I'll probably be that this I don't can't sit here. And if I do,
Yeah.
send me a living at this I don't can't
We know
sit.
said duck and senior, but
But
we
we
never
never know
know
said
about
this
that
and
on top.
Yes, ma'am. So, you have a carry on that for me, sir?
Yeah, you want we carry it around
Yeah,
for
I'll
you?
come around with you.
You go around now, take your time. Hold on there. Hold on, Master Nevi. Give me water.
Yes, my care. What?
Yeah, but Marcel, you finished, Marcel?
Now come out there. Come out there.
Take time.
Now walk here, so.
Well, oh, Jesus. Master Nevi, hold on there.
Yeah, it's all right,
I
miss.
just say you walk and come through?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, so me walk this. Yes, me walk. We'll see. Are you clear? This a bucket full of water, see you know? This. Full. You know, and not the way blow away. I'm going to drink all of them, so the teeth are them.
The teeth is in?
Yes, the whole of the house down there, so. The teeth are everything. They not take me too. And the brother say he see the man, he might take away his continuation today.
You couldn't say no.
Yeah, maybe in fear for your life.
Yes, yes.
The pan bend up, Marcel.
That's straighten me, straighten. Bend to one side and I bend it to the other. Look.
Oh, yeah. Like a miracle.
Just want a little more attention. Attention.
Alright, Master Nevi.
God.
You're not pretty.
You know, prettiness.
But we have to give God thanks.
Oh,
same way.
God. Man,
Yep.
terrible, man.
The Lord
That's
will
what-
fix it for you, Master Nevi.
That's why when I'm going to do house, I have to do it good, do it better. You. We not go see no one like this, I'll listen.
No more hurricane like this.
Yes. Maybe say, hey, you look, sir. Every tree blow, you know. You turn and look anywhere you want to look.
All the drum them mash up.
Oh, God.
All right.
Get your head. Alright, guys, so Master Nevi, I ride party or what, man?
Yes, sir.
Take time. Okay. Alright guys, so Master Nevie go back around in neighbor house, so we are going to just walk with him, carry on the groceries and
if you want to see the bar, then we may go pan, Master.
sun hot.
Lord Jesus, can't go pan.
You step too tall.
Yes.
Take time.
Wait, now you walk like a drunk.
I'm going to drop back.
Step up. See if I say I'll step up and now. Step up, yes.
Jamel, bring the water, please.
Go on, sir.
Well, party, what go on?
I must give you water.
Yes, all right. People have called look for me, man. Yes, sir.
Breeze nice and cool, Master Nevie. Yeah?
Right, that's if I put you on smart. Right in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Nobody in their house now, man.
No, sir. No, sir.
Except the dog.
Except the dog. Every deep.
Hey, I know. Yeah.
Good dear.
Hi. Alright.
People they walk here, me go up so. When me go up so, who may have up there?
I have nobody up there, true. This dog bad?
No, go back. No, go back.
So we can walk right up?
Right up, man. I put you up on the plate. Right up, right up.
Marcel, remember say Master Nevie dog used to honor you?
No, man. You're not trouble you, man. You're not going to put him outside. You're not going to put him in a problem.
You're not trouble me?
You're not trouble you, man. You're not trouble you, man.
Careful, Master Nevie.
Around there, so I put the bar that we are going to put it.
Yeah, upon the veranda we are still.
That may I tell you? That may I tell you? Yeah, see, that may I show you, Paul. See, may I David move. Could I just make a big pack of piece? You're missing them, put in them. They're terrible, something.
No man, come over more.
Wait.
To this side.
Hold him hand there, Marcel.
Let go back. Step up again. And
Jesus,
no, man,
it's too tall, Master Nevie. Blood.
So we have to tell us, please.
You can't climb up too quick.
Far, there's another step in front.
You could more. Come that way. We want to sit down on the fertilizer. Go on. Don't hold on for nothing, just walk. Go on through this way.
Alright, Master Nevie. So, just Master Nevie, you still a cook?
Ma'am?
You still get a cooked meal?
Yes, man, you cook.
Oh, so we carry a cooked stuff.
Yes.
I mean, things that are to be cooked. And we carry you. Biscuit and bulla and bread.
Yes, man, but want it party.
Flour, oil and sardine and mackerel and
Right.
sausage. You eat sausage?
Yes, sir.
Put in your hand. You want the stuff in a bag where you can't just eat? Like the biscuit them?
Yeah, we'll put it. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we are giving.
So that you know if you dig up.
Put this in there.
Tissue gone in there too?
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on there. It's a relief.
Yes, sir. Put them in there. Wait, I got to put them in.
Want some syrup in the water there?
We have syrup in it. Syrup in the thing too, you Master Nevie?
Yes, ma'am.
Just fill up the stuff in there so you can know what you have.
Yes, ma'am. Put the rest here. We are say put in and others you can have it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You can put back the bread in there.
Yeah.
What you have in there?
The sausage.
Sausage in the lap.
This sausage.
Yeah, put in here.
And the biscuit in the lap too.
Put in the bread?
Put the bread in that. Yeah, man, bread can't stay in that.
So one next sausage them as well. I can put it in a pan.
Give me two. But them people brother. Who could it be?
So guys, we don't want to hold the camera too wide because you know it's Mas Nevie's neighbor. We don't want to invade their privacy. So we're just holding it on the food. Boy, Mas Nevie, everything in that pan, I'll teach you.
Yes, ma'am.
When you go in, you can't take them out.
What last one in that one?
Yeah, put the last one in. The tissue can't stay in this one. Well, you know, nothing wrong with it. Can't stay in this one.
So Mas Nevie,
yes, ma'am.
you have rice, cornmeal, flour, sugar.
Yeah.
You have your pack soup, tin mackerel, sardine, ketchup, cooking oil.
Yeah.
I have a number of biscuits, cream crackers.
Yeah.
And you have the bull and stuff in there.
Yes, ma'am.
And your bread.
Yes, ma'am. God bless you.
Remember what else did they?
God can be. God be a good.
Just hold on tight a little longer, you hear?
Ma'am?
Just hold on a little longer.
Yes, ma'am. You have different pound, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But the zinc are the problem.
The zinc?
Yeah. And I bet some good zinc in the house for you.
But remember said the board them have the whole heap of duck and so we
have to clean them up and spray them. You have to spray the thick wash, kill off other kill. Where you kill nothing there. You want a good spray pan.
You want the syrup up there, sir?
No, sir, put it up in there.
not in that pan.
Carry this around me at daytime.
Oh, you bring it with you?
Yeah, I carry it with me at daytime.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
So you cooking stuff and can't stay.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, are you with that? Where the cover? Sit.
I'm going to get chicken and I'm going to cook it.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, you can we just set up a grocery?
Yes, ma'am.
See that now?
Ah, it's a God bless you, see.
Alright, pan good again.
Yes.
God bless us. Never think about the pan.
I hope God send you for come for me this. I hope God send you for me, me no know.
God on time, just the right time.
Me say you take me like one picking.
Yeah. I'm surprised when me hear the voice and that they would like master.
Me nah let phone this for me say if anybody come.
Yes.
Yes, me this every come. Yes, sir. Good.
MP.
Yeah. God bless you.
Not too much, yeah? So, Mas Nevie,
yes, ma'am.
we're going to leave you now.
God bless you, Miss D.
Yes,
so, we meet again.
Yes, so we want to thank all of the donors, everybody.
God bless all of me say, boy, I hope me suffer out here.
Who have donated.
Yeah.
Towards Mas Nevie's groceries, and a few persons would have sent pocket money for you.
Yeah.
And right now, without even saying anything to you, we are going to try and see if we can put it towards the plyboard.
Yes.
That's a start.
Yes.
Not sure how many can get because one is about maybe 5,000 or 4,650 thereabout.
Yes.
But it's a start, Mas Nevie.
Yeah, so one brother did help me carry on much. I said, he said, you could give me $1,000.
Yes, they want PM, yeah, man.
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to leave something with you when I left you dry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Where can I match us now?
Don't petal.
Oh.
Yeah. I see the gas today.
What the gas there? Oh, the blue pan here, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
You go down a petal too?
Yes, ma'am. We could have the petal, not the petal there too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so you now use the gas again? Why are they on the veranda?
It's a better cook pan for the gas.
Oh.
Or you did just secure it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe you could not take it. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
But you couldn't present them.
Alright, Mas Nevie. So alright guys, so until next time, this is where we end the video for today. We are making a plea on behalf of Mas Nevie.
Yes.
So you have seen the situation, and if there is any way in which you can help to rebuild his home, please reach out to us at 876-512-4055. You'll see the number running across the screen, and you know, whatever it is, every mickle make a muckle, like we like to say in Jamaica. So until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love.
Remember me said we remember me God.
Yes, Mas Nevie.
That is God.
Papa Neville.
Yes, sir.